Hey everybody, it's Gary here in the AI Wellness Universe. Today we are going over the Wellness Wordsmith Coach and showing you how simple it is for all you aspiring authors out there that want to get started on writing a book. It doesn't take much to get started. All you got to do is uh, put in minimal information and you will get a nice structure. So as you open up the app here, you see it says, "Hello, I'm an expert coach in nonfiction writing, particularly focused on creating well-structured book outlines for wellness books. How can I assist you today with your writing journey?" All I put in as book topic is fitness and nutrition. And here you go. This is what we got out. Great choice. Fitness and nutrition is a popular and impactful topic. To create a well-structured outline for your book, let's start by identifying the main sections you want to include. Here's a suggested framework. So here you go. We got a nice book outline: fitness and nutrition, introduction. We got some chapters built out for us, and everything you need to get started. Nice structure. Now you can start plugging in your chapters and adding information into them, and then you can go to our other book writing apps, which will help you expand upon what you already started here. So I hope this helps for you. Till next time, take care.